welcome back to the channel where all the pretty girls grow and glow. Yeah, y'all like a little slogan? I'm gonna use that now. Hey sunflowers, welcome back to the channel where all the pretty girls grow and glow. Yeah, y'all like a little slogan? I'm gonna use that now. So I have a special review. As you can see by the title, I'm doing my first Amazon review. Disclosure, I may or may not be getting paid for it. But I ain't gonna go into details. Yes, this is my first Amazon wig review. I'm actually gonna do another review on some wigs that I ordered for my birthday that I definitely give a 10 out of 10 recommend. They are synthetic, but if you take good care, then you already know how it's gonna go. They've really been good to me, and honestly I've been trying to catch away with synthetic hair, change the hairstyle and stuff like that, so I like that. Yes, I still rock human hair, but you know, synthetic hair is really kind of getting into the way. But let me get into the video. Y'all don't judge me. Usually when I have on a hat, I done ran some errands with my real hair and I didn't want to let it go. So let's get into it. This company is called Caixiu, I don't know how you say it, but it will be right here. They sent me 2 wigs to use. This is the first wig, this is the second wig, and the first wig the second wig I got them for that because I saw a little pro tip with influencers. If you want to be a brand ambassador or be, you know, get free stuff from the brand, do stuff with low reviews and try to contact them through Instagram or anything. So I contacted a lot of companies, and a lot of companies got back to me. Some companies were a little iffy with the negotiation and the deals, but you know, when there's a will, there's gonna be a way, baby. So let's get into this video. So I have 2 weeks to review, like I said, and I'm about to unbox it for you now. I am doing this on TikTok, so I am going to show you guys on the phone. But I'm about to oh, there you go. I got it. I'm about to show y'all guys real soon what this look like. Okay. Alright, y'all. So they gave me 2 wigs. This one is the blonde wig that I was trying to go for the longest. This right here is their new wig. It's very synthetic looking. But I'm definitely going to put on this wig first. Well, I'm going to get it out first. But this one I may have to install, or I'm just going to really try it on my head. We're going to see. But which one I should put up first? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. This right here is the synthetic bang wig, y'all. I'm a little nervous when they hit me at. When they asked me to try it, I'm like, I don't know. I don't want to look like Selena Gomez and look like Selena Gomez. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Alright, so y'all, this is straight out the bag. Oh, okay. It's giving very luxurious. Wave straight out the pack. Okay, give the girl curls and burls. Yes. Let me put the little stocking over there. Okay. Ooh. The bang. Okay, they go to bang. They go to curls. If you can see. Yeah, she is synthetic, but she's giving body. Body curves, waist, big teeth, little waist, body crazy. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing. Actually, I want to try this on. I want to see how it looks. I want to come right back. This is the front of the wig. It has bangs. It's a bang curly wig. They wanted me to try. It's new on their website, so I said, of course, why not? But right now it's really good, feels good, no shedding as far as I can tell. I rub my hands through it. It's keeping its texture, it's keeping its body. So yeah, I'm actually going to wear this Friday for a football game. So I'm actually going to give y'all a full detailed review on that later on. But right now we're going to give this a try, give this a look. Alright, so I had to put on the cap, but not too much on me, okay? So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna try my best, but if I cut this out, it's because I had to go to a mirror and readjust the wig. But yeah, so you turn it inside out and clip it on the back. Usually it's hard for me to clip the back. Oh, it feels very, very, very soft. I just want to clip this hair into it. That could be very, very aggravating. And so, oh, okay, wait a minute. Oh, all right, I gotta go get myself together. I look like I gotta go get myself. Babe, I really had to get myself straightened out. But this is how it looks out of the pack. I feel like maybe if I could do a little bit of tweaking to this, cut this right here because all front of my eyes, I look like a fucking poodle, and probably put this at some color and stuff like that. And I think it look like a good wig, like more natural and stuff. Honestly, maybe it'll grow on to me, but it's really body, like it's giving what it needs to be gave. It's very shiny, as you can see, very consistent. It haven't gave me. Only problem is that the bangs in front of my eyes, and I really gotta cut it, so it's kind of aggravating. But yeah, it's giving. I can be Tina. Oh wait, other side. But yeah, it's giving body, yada yada yada. So yeah, I really like this one. I like it, but like I said, it might need some tweaking and some revision for me to really love it. But yeah, it's give what it needs to be gave, you know. So let's roll on to the next one. So this is wig number 2. This is the blonde lace wig. I believe this right here, either a closure or a frontal, but I think this might be a frontal. I can't really remember, but I remember this is a 10-inch wig. Let me look at it, make sure. Oh, okay. They're a new company, so not too much, but they came in a little plastic bag. Then after the plastic bag came in a cute satin bag, so that's cute. Okay. Oh wait, I don't know how to do nothing about this. Okay, I'm black. Oh, okay. So yes, this is a 613 150 density. You guys can see it. Can you guys see it? 613 150 density. And the hair company is called Caixiu hair. It's a 10-inch. I'm showing y'all all the details. This is the 10-inch. It didn't have all the details on the other side. Okay, straight out the pack. What it's looking like. We're gonna see what it's gonna give. Oh, okay. Alright. Very soft. That's in my hand. So I never had like a short bob before, so this right here is very soft. I can't give you that. Yeah. I can say it's very much kind of plucked. Probably if you want to do some more tweaking and, you know, bleach it a little bit. But yeah, it's very good. Like, it's very soft, smooth. This is the 10-inch blonde wig. For the color blonde, I'd say the color that it needs to be. Honestly, it's not a yellow blonde or an ash blonde. It's a blonde wig. And I'm going to see how it looks. Oh, they gave me baby hairs a little bit. Okay. Alright. So they gave me a little bit of baby hairs. But yeah, this is right here. This is a lace. I thought it was going to be a closure. I forgot. But this is right here is a lace. And it's good. Okay, now the only thing. Oh, okay. Other thing that I should say that I wish it would come with more track hair. It's a little bit thin, as you can see. Like, I can brush it out. It's a little bit thin. If I wanted to put on one side, it feels like it's more thicker, but on the other side it feels a little bit thin. Maybe because I'm going, let's see, like right here. But other than that, honestly, it's giving what it needs to be gave. So yeah, we're gonna try it out, and I will be right back to you, babes. Let me look at that. Well, okay, let me see how this look on my head real quick, y'all. If y'all, okay, so I really tried to have a blonde wig for a shoot that I had. Oh god, oh, that's the lace. I'm thinking that's something else. Oh, okay. For a thing that I have for my birthday that is actually coming up. Oh, okay, this piece of hair is kind of aggravating. Let's not get into the line that y'all see. Oh Jesus, y'all see everything. Y'all gonna be like, this is the most ghettos review, okay? But y'all, me and wig, I'm just not getting to this whole wig thing. Okay, it gives body yada yada. All right. Now the lace, I really can't tell you. It's I want to say it's transparent because I know what a transparent lace is. But with some good makeup and some tint, yeah, you got it. This is really good. Like brushing it back, forward. Like this is really good. I can dig it. I can vibe to it. You know, this is great. I ain't never had a 10-inch bob before. Only because maybe because I don't like short hair and my hair is already short. But this right here is definitely a vibe and I can dig into it. I just can't wait to install it. Y'all see that? The bob is bobbing. Like the bob. The bob is bobbing. It's Bobby. Bobby. But yeah, I would definitely rate this a good 8.5. Maybe a 9. I can only say that because I feel a certain way about a part of a wig that's a little maybe see-through, but other than that, the density is good, the hair is good, it waves, it's very smooth, no smell, no nothing. And yeah, I definitely recommend buying this wig. I haven't colored it yet, but I think I want to color it after the look I'm going to give with this wig. But yeah, this is very much it. The hair is called, I can't stop doing this because it's just so, oh my god, it's so smooth. Y'all don't understand how smooth it is. Even the synthetic bob hair is the same type of feeling. So y'all, I'm going to link the wig. Actually, I'm screenshot the wig right here. Also gonna screenshot the wig also on the review that I did for that. I'm also gonna put the links down below. The links will also be in my Amazon store as well. And that was really it for the review, babes. I mean, if you don't get this, then I'm going to get it. And the 10-inch was really like $50. The 12-inch is $60. Not too bad. Not really too bad. So yeah, babes, let me know what y'all think. I'm really giving into this. I can't wait to wear this. I can't wait to wear this. So flowers, this is the review on both of the wigs I've been so grateful to sponsor and promote. So like I said, on this wig is the bang is on the front. The bang is frontwards, I'm sorry. So this wig right here is the, I think this might be a 10-inch curly bob. It's synthetic. Like I said, I'm probably going to tweak it and see. I like it, but I gotta tweak it to see if I love it. I'm gonna wear this Friday to a gang, so stay tuned for the photos if I don't drop this before then or on my birthday. And then stay tuned because I will be dropping some pictures, you know, here and there. So on this wig is the 10-inch 150 density. Like I said, it's very shiny, good, glistening, has body yada yada. Like I said, only part that at the top a little bit, if you could run through it, you might see the wig cap. Like I said, wish it had more hair, more density, but other than that, it's really a really good wig to go to wear, to use. The blonde is actually like a little yellow, but not like a high yellow class blonde. It's like a blonde that you've been looking for blonde. Yeah. Not an ash blonde like a white blonde, like I said in the previous video. Like I said, but they're both shiny, give body yada yada, as you can see. So yeah, this is good, and I can't wait for y'all to see me wear them, promote them, get a full look. And yeah, babes, this is really much it. I'm so used to saying babes because of my other channel, but yes, sunflowers, this is really much it, the review on both of these wigs. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Hope you guys buy them, love them as much as I do. If you're not a synthetic wig wearer, then hey, go ahead and work with your human hair. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I see you sunflowers really soon. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and join the freaking ride. Peace.